You spent years learning things you'll almost never use again. And almost no time learning the one subject that affects literally every day of your adult life: money. This isn't an accident, and understanding why changes how you catch up. Most people leave school able to solve equations they'll never see again, but with no idea how interest actually works, how credit scores are built, or how to tell a good financial decision from a bad one. So they learn it the expensive way, through mistakes in real time with real money. You learned algebra. You didn't learn credit. Here's what usually gets left out: how interest works, both for you and against you. How to build a budget that actually survives real life. How investing turns time into money. How taxes actually function. And maybe most importantly, why your brain makes spending decisions that have nothing to do with logic. None of this is complicated. It's just never been prioritized. Here's the good news hidden inside this problem. Since this was never taught to any of us the same way, everyone starts from roughly the same blank slate as an adult. The people who end up ahead usually aren't the ones who had a better financial education growing up. They're the ones who decided, at some point, to go learn it themselves. Nobody starts ahead here. Some people just start. So if nobody taught you this growing up, here's where to actually start. 1. Learn how compound interest works for investing and against you in debt, since it's the single biggest lever in personal finance. 2. Build one simple budget and track it for just 1 month to see where your money actually goes. 3. Treat learning this like an ongoing skill, not a one-time lesson, because your financial life keeps changing. If you also feel like nobody ever taught you this, this is the place. Subscribe. Every week I break down one money lesson school skipped, so you don't have to learn it the expensive way.